repeat today what we first told you Monday. Bernalillo County District judges are throwing their support behind the disgraced Community Corrections Program, MDC.
Rod Green reports they've been assured that problems with the program are limited in scope.
From this day forward, the court will not be making any future referrals to the Community Custody Program.
Close on the heels of the arrest of CCP boss Vince Peel on bribery and other charges, judges in Albuquerque's Metro Court pulled the plug on the program till they could be assured that referrals to the ankle bracelet release from jail were not being made on a pay-to-play basis. Now, district court judges are voicing their support for the program, with some reservations.
We are satisfied that the allegations in this case include the actions of one individual and do not threaten the effectiveness or the validity of the Community Corrections Program.
Judge Pat Murdoch telling reporters that after conferring with his colleagues and the DA's office, judges here will continue to use the program after they've done some checking.
Upon reassurance that everyone in the program belongs in the program, then we will go back to business as usual and make referrals.
But DA Carrie Brandenburg still sounds a cautionary note.
Tomorrow's a new day, and we don't know what we may have tomorrow. It is an ongoing investigation, so we have to take it one day at a time.
Rod Green, Action 7 News.
Peel faces 33 felony counts, including bribery, identity theft, and conspiracy. Prosecutors have until August 12th to seek an indictment.